If you don't really know what umami tastes like, this dish is going to punch you in the face with it. So let's make some scallion oil noodles, or蔥油拌面. For our ingredients, we got a bunch of scallions, 1 shallot, 1 clove of garlic, 150 milliliters of vegetable oil, 6 tablespoons of dark soy, 3 tablespoons of light soy, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. In Chicago, with noodles, all this comes out to be about less than $5 for 4 people. First, we're going to preheat oil at medium-low heat. And then we're going to slice our aromatics and add that in and infuse it into the oil. The goal here is to infuse as much of the flavor to the oil as possible, so we're just going low and slow until these aromatics are just browned. And that's actually going to take a while. This entire process took about 10 minutes in total. The last thing you want is for the aromatics to get burned, so you're going to have to be patient. Those scallion shallots crispies are so good though, like you're going to have a hard time not munching on them. Once it's golden brown, you can fish it out and strain into the original measuring cup that you had before. So now with our umami infused oil, we're going to add in the greens of the scallions. Now, this whole entire step is for 2 parts. One is the presentation of just the greens is what makes the dish give it its iconic look. But then also you're actually infusing the scallions with even more flavor. So these scallions are going to be more scallions than ever before when you take a bite into them. Honestly though, you can probably just skip this step and toss everything all at once. Now finally, with the heat turned to low, we're going to add in our soy and sugar and let that caramelize. And we're going to add our greens back in there, and now we got our sauce. Now all that's left is to toss it in some noodles and serve. Now if you have a squeeze bottle, you can actually save that sauce and top it on anything, and it's going to really elevate pretty much every single dish. This is the ultimate foundation of sweet, salty, and umami, and once you learn how to make this, you're going to be able to make so many more Chinese dishes now.